Good morning. Again, yesterday was really another bad day for the market. Though we started in a positive note where we was almost 1% up for almost like 50 points up, and then maybe by afternoon we faded all that gains and to close down by 0.3%, which is 17 points down. So yesterday Nifty closing was somewhere to 5633. सो इससे अब माहौल तो बेरिश हो ही गया है, but I would seriously say that there has been a good opportunity coming in many of the large cap stocks, which an investor should start accumulating those stocks. From the stock specific news today, TCS has got a order of $47 million from Norway Post. It's a long-term contract with the Norway Post. Second stock specific news is from L&T, where L&T is trying to buy a 50% stake in Future Group's insurance business. So moving to some global news, as we discussed on the last Friday about the Cyprus thing, and we also anticipated that in last Friday itself that that Cyprus will surely get a bailout, and it happened on Saturday that it got a bailout of 13 billion USD, but with conditions. The conditions were two major conditions were first that the depositors having holding of more than $100,000 would have to face losses, and the depositor below $100,000 won't have to face losses. Second, it was that one of the second largest bank of Cyprus has to be wound down on the condition that it will be split into good and bad assets. Bad assets will be wound down, and good assets will be transferred to Bank of Cyprus. So with these two major conditions, European Union have decided to give a bailout to Cyprus. So I guess Cyprus would the short-term problem of Cyprus has been resolved, but from our understanding or our reading says that Cyprus will get into a recession from here, and unemployment will rise because banking system will almost get into a situation of collapse because the banking was one of the major generator or a contributor to their GDP. So with all this global uncertainty, and also there is an uncertainty on the domestic front, where Samajwadi Party by afternoon came out with with a rumor. I would say there is not a confirmed news where they are planning for early election. Maybe they will pull out a support from UPA, and they are actually planning to go for an early election, which is a really bad for the market in near term if it happens to be true. And as the political scenario suggests, it's a years of coalition. So maybe we won't have a super majority in the near if we have a early election in 2013 itself. So it will be a really bad for the market if SP pull out from UPA. So in all, the uncertainty remains in the market, but there are stock specific news, good value picks emerging in large cap itself. In mid cap we already have some very good large cap, very good value picks. In large cap also we have started getting some. So be updated with the research reports what we are sending, or through our emails, which will help you to get some better investment ideas. So that's all for today. I'll catch you on Thursday. Thank you.